I thought I'd show you the mountains over Morecambe Bay, especially with the snow on. Absolutely fabulous. Hello, I'm Smithy, and I wanted to show you how I personally fly the Dji Mavic Mini. I did make the last few videos at the Loon Valley, what do you call it? Loon. And I went there before and I couldn't park anywhere, so I had to manage to get out, and I went to Bulbeck, which is just down the cycle track from there. It's about, what, 2 mile maybe, 2.5 mile. Anyway, so over these hills there is snow, so that's what I wanted. I wanted to get you some snow, but I wanted to show you how I actually fly this, and then we'll go and fly it. But I'll do it a bit different this time, because obviously you know I can edit video, right? I've been doing it for a couple of years. Rather than edit any video and then just put music to it and just show you a nice flight and it's panning, and I'm going to show you the whole flight. I'll put music to it because you don't get sound on the Mavic Mini. I could talk over it, but I don't think you want to listen to me waffling. But where's my phone? Right, so I'll show you the basic setup of what I do. When you undo these to put your phone in, right, you have to put your phone in there. Here's my little clips, or the little toggles for the up and down, you know, spin, rotate, and that's where they're housed. Now then, aerial, I just sort of have them there like that, right? So you stick the phone in, and what I like to do, as soon as it connects to the aircraft, is press record immediately. You're only going to get about 20 minutes flight time on average off a Mavic Mini, unless you've got extra batteries. So take the legs out, and it is so simple to fly. In fact, I'm going to get Vicky to fly this. If Vicky can fly it, anybody can, and I'll show you how easy it is to fly. Obviously watching obstructions. So to turn it on, short press, second press. That's now on. So the gimbal is just adjusting itself. Right, that's on. So same with this, short press, another short press, that's on. Put the phone on. I'm not going to go through the whole process, I'm just showing the basic setup when you've put the right code in your phone. Right, so my phone's showing it upside down now. So it's asking me to transfer files. So that's what I want to do, transfer it from the device to the memory card, well, to the phone as well. So I've got two choices. So if you can see that now, you get a red button there. I'm not going to press it, I'm not going to press it because I don't want to record straight away. Oh yeah. But I would press that red button now, and then it's done. Now if you listen, you'll hear, oh, in fact, the gimbal is showing me. In a bit you should hear it beep saying home point updated. And the reason you do that is because it has a return to home function on it. So if it knows where the satellites are, it knows where it took off from. And if you get lost, or it goes out of range, or the battery's poor, it will come back, and it'll come back to exactly where you took off from. So I'm not going to take off from this area, I'm going to go to Bulbeck because I know I can park there, and I'll show you the Loon Valley, the River Loon, and we'll try and get some of the snow that's over these hills. I think I can go to about 350 metres safely. I don't think you're allowed to go any more than that, but anyway, we'll go about 300 metres and I'll pan the whole area. But rather than, as I've said, edit it out and just show you a nice video, I'll just show you the whole video without any editing. I'll put music to the top of it because obviously all you're going to get is, you know, there'll be no sound to it because obviously the DJI doesn't record sound. So a 32 meg card will cope with 20 minutes of video time. So it's not going to be 20 minutes long. I'll video as much as I can, and then I'll bring it down and we'll land and I'll show it you. And that's how simple it is. The DJI Mavic Mini. Let's go fly.